this video, we'll show you how to install Tracks for Africa maps on your Mac computer. This video only applies to maps purchased on an SD card. Here's the list of videos you should have watched in order to proceed with this tutorial. The links are in the description. At this point, you've purchased Tracks for Africa maps on an SD card and inserted it into your Garmin GPS device. Firstly, after connecting your GPS to your Mac computer, you'll have to navigate to the SD card in Finder, where you'll find the installation files for Mac. Copy the Mac installer to a place on your computer before continuing. To launch the installer, simply double-click it. Then click Install to install the maps to Map Manager. To view the maps, you can open BaseCamp. Firstly, you'll need to change your active map by going to Maps and clicking on the T4A Travelers Africa map. That's the end of this video. Please subscribe for more videos. Here's some videos to watch after this one. The links are in the description.